Namaste students, welcome to mathematics class. I hope everyone is safe and fine at home. Today we study some basic geometrical ideas. What is geometry? Geometry is the branch of mathematics. So the word geometry has come from the Greek word, means here we can divide this into geo and metron. So what is geo? Geo means earth and metron means measurements. So what is that geometry means? Means it is the measurement of the things on the earth. You can see this is a scale and it is a rectangle. It has length, breadth. Two sides are length and two more sides are breadth. And we can say that this is the rectangle. This is the thing on the earth and we can measure the area of this. So geometry means it is the measurement of things on the earth. So this part of the mathematics is very useful in our daily life, in constructing the building, in the art, in engineering, in constructing the dams, even bridges also. Now we will have some basic idea of the geometry. So now we will see which are the basic ideas we will see now. First, points. You have seen the sharp end of the pencil is a point, and if you mark the sharp end of the point on the paper, you will get a dot like this, and this is dot itself is the point, and we can denote this by the letter English alpha letter A. So we can write it as point A. Even if you write another one point B, and you can write it as point B. So even sharp end of the needle and the tip of the compass are also example for point. Now we will see the next one is a line or straight line. Here you can see the stretched wire, and this stretched wire shows you that it is a straight line. Even the edge of this scale is also a straight line. The edge of this book is also a straight line. This edge is also a straight line. Even this stick is also straight line. So what is a straight line? So now we are going to see about straight line. Or we can say it as line also. You can draw the straight line on the paper with the help of the scale, and the two end points are marked like this. The two end points, if you mark like that, it shows that it continues to this side of the line also you can extend, or this side of the straight line also you can extend. To denote this straight line, we mark 2 points on the straight line. So AB is the straight line, and we denote the straight line by the letter AB, and above this we mark like this. This shows the straight line AB. Now we see another one straight line. This is PQ, and we can denote straight line PQ. Now the next one is line segment. So we will see what is line segment. Now portion of the line is known as line segment, or part of the line. Means if you draw a line which is 5 centimeter in length, so AB, the two end points of the line is fixed and the length of this is 5 centimeter, and this is known as the line segment, and it is the straight line, and the length of the straight line you can extend both the sides, but here in the line segment you cannot extend both sides because the end points are fixed. Now here if you observe this wire, the two end points which I hold shows the end points of this line segment. Next one is ray. You can see morning sun rays, even from the torch you are getting light rays, from the electric bulb you are getting light rays. So from one fixed point the rays comes, means here on the ray one point is fixed and another one is not fixed. So this is the example for ray, and we denote AB, we write, and above that like this mark means one end shows an arrow mark, other end is keeping like that only. So we denote ray by this symbol. How to denote the line segment? We write AB and above that one line, and the two end points are marking like this. Now see here, there are two straight lines. Now if I keep the straight lines like this, what you can see? It is the letter X, and you can see there are these two lines intersect at one point, and we call these two straight lines are intersecting lines. So now we see about intersecting lines. This is one straight line. This is another straight line which it intersects at one point. So we call this one as intersecting lines. You can see around you such intersecting lines. The edge of the book, this is one straight line, this is another straight line. That two straight lines intersect at this point. So these two lines are intersecting lines. Even crossing roads, you can see two roads which cross at one point, and that two roads are also known as intersecting lines. If we keep two scales like this, even these two scales are intersecting each other at one point. Now instead of that, if the two straight lines are like this, means what we call this one? We call these two lines are parallel lines. So now we are going to see parallel lines. So what is parallel line? Now if I draw one straight line and you can draw another one straight line like this, then we call straight line AB and CD are parallel to each other, and we write AB parallel to CD. AB straight line and CD straight line are parallel to each other. This is the symbol to denote they are parallel. Now here you can see the distance between the line AB and CD, means this distance is same. If it is 2 centimeter here, the distance between this end of the straight line is also 2 centimeter only, means the distance between the two straight line is same. even though if you extend both the sides, they do not meet each other. In your surroundings, you can see such parallel lines. Even the edge of this book, this edge and this edge, if you extend, if you draw the line like this, both the sides extend and they do not meet each other. Even the rods in the window, two rods in the window do not meet each other. So they are parallel lines. Now what we learnt? We learnt points, line or straight line, one and the same, then line segment, ray, parallel lines and intersecting lines. Now all these concepts we see in the figure. Now here there is one question. Use this figure to name these, which are the points, a line, three rays. Which are the points you can see in the given figure? Point A, point B, point C and point D. So the points are point A, point B and point C. Now a line or a straight line. Here you can see AC is the straight line. So straight line is AC and we have to mark an arrow mark in front of that. Next, three rays. Can you identify which are the three rays? See, this is the origin of the ray, or this point is fixed. So BC, BD and BA are the three rays. So we are writing BA, one ray, next BC and BD is the another ray. So these are the three rays in the given figure. Now we answer the next question. Here it is given, name the line given in all possible ways, choosing two letters at a time from the three given points. Here you can see the figure. Here there are 3 points P, Q and R. Now you have to select only 2 letters at a time and you have to write number of lines you can do. So PQ is the one line, PQ. Next QR, QR is the another line. Then you can write PR. Next you can write QP. Next you can write RQ. And also you can write RP. These are the possible ways you can get the straight line. Third one, how many lines can pass through one given point? Now, if there is one point here, this is the point A, how many lines can pass through this point? Means, now we draw the line passing through this point. This is one line. This is another line. Even you can draw like this many lines which pass through the point A. So, number of lines which pass through a single point is countless or many. So, many lines pass through a given point. Second one, two given point. When there are 2 points, now see here, this is 2 points. Now we join these 2 points or we draw the line which pass through this point. So how many can you draw? Still more lines? No. You can draw like this, but this is not a straight line, but it is a curved line. But only one straight line we can draw passing through two given points. So only one straight line can be drawn passing through two given points. Now we answer another one question. See here, use the figure to name first one line containing point E. Here this is the point E. So which are the lines which contain point E? One is AE and another one EF. So here they asked us to write the lines which contain point E, but line is given, so write the answer of this is AE is the line which containing point E. Second question, line passing through A. So you are getting many lines here passing through the point A. They are AB, AD, AE. But they told us to write only one line. So we write AB is the line passing through the point A. Next, line on which O lies. O, where is the point O? In this line. So which is the line? OC is the line which pass through the point O. So OC. Next one, two pairs of intersecting lines. Can you see two pairs of intersecting lines? See, this is one line and this is another line. So you are getting one pair of intersecting line. They are one AE and OC are one pair of intersecting lines. Another one pair of intersecting line is EF and AE at this point. So EF and AE is the another pair of intersecting lines. Students, exercise 4.1 is the homework problems. Questions are given. So answer these questions. There are 6 questions given in this. I hope everyone understood what is point, line, line segment, ray, intersecting lines, parallel lines, and you are able to answer the problems or the questions given in the exercise. Thank you.